This new in today. Round this one then. This new. You can see I've obviously taken the front bumper off and I've been starting to remove trim off the sides. Then this patch down here is where we took some stickers off and then pulled the lacquer off of some paint that was on there. All the side trim's off, but you can see it's left over that nasty black residue. So next attack is to hit that with a load of glue and tile remover. That was yesterday's work, well, the day before as well. I'm quite happy with how that's going so far, but now I need to get the other side done. So there's a couple of little pimples in this wrap, and it really is just tiny little marks on the paint that I didn't get off. Yeah, I'm going to try and make sure the other side doesn't go like that. So I'm going to turn it around and see what state we've got to work with. Start, shall we? It's been a while. So other side of the caddy, you can see there's quite a bit of work gone in here to getting rid of a few lumps and bumps that we have in the paint. And it's not perfect, but it's a 2008 van and we're just about to go into 2021, so I think we're good enough. What I'm going to do is clay bar this side as well. It's pretty smooth, but I can feel there's still just a couple of little lumps and bumps in there. So that's my next job. Get that out of the box. So I'm going to have to warm that up a bit. Otherwise it's not going to be very flat. Okay, and we have a bit of clay lubricant here. Here, which is where we put the lacquer over it. Also, not forgetting door shuts. So I don't intend to wrap all of the inside of the door shuts here because that would be a mission. But I am going to be bringing the wrap in around the edge of the door. So I need that to be a decent surface in there. Just weighing this up, that's my longest panel. This one is split. That one is obviously a shorter panel as well. So I need to make sure I've got enough wrap for this. And then I need to think about this kind of going right away over to here. On the still on the top there. So I need to look at how much wrap I've actually got left to be able to make sure that I can actually do the full coverage that I want to. Okay, let's see how much material we've got. That is fantastic news. So first one door handle off. I need to panel out the inside of here so that I can get to the back of this handle to take it off, because I wouldn't want to ruin a nice clean run by having to wrap around the handle. Don't undo totally, you have to do that. The transporter is on like 13 turns, or Polo is 13. These it seems to be about 8. But there we go. taken the light out and you can see how much road grime there is in there. So I'm asking plastic to stick to this and it's just filthy. So give that a good old clean in there and that should be good to go. Slice it and everything else. So first things first, what I'm going to do is start taking the back off. What I'm going to do is slice it back into that one, so all of it in one go. Really need my heat gun. Worried because it leaves scratches in the wrap as you're squeezing it down. Oh no, what were they wrong? But it turns out that when you post cure it and give it a good clean, it will disappear. Quite a bit more work on the caddy front end this morning. Maybe not this morning, maybe this afternoon. It was a bit cold in here, and wrap and vinyl don't like sticking when it's cold. It gets brittle, it doesn't like sticking, it's just a pain to work with. So I had to get temperature up in here before I could do that stuff today. Hello again, for those who've been watching, I've been doing some wrap work on this caddy, but I didn't really want to do the back doors. I just wanted it to be a little bit different, but I need something on these windows to make them a bit more interesting. So what we're going to do is run with a dubster, but the dubster, my plotter won't quite cut to that height. So I'm going to work around that. And instead what I'm going to do is have the dubster just cutting off the bottom of the window. And I can just show you, there's one I cut earlier. And that's kind of what we're going for. So I'm just going to measure up and I'm going to cut it and fit it. 125. So what I'm looking for is a maximum width of the logo to be just over that, because I want it to hang off the end slightly. And then we can work out what height we can work with actually on the cutter here. So we're just feeding the material into the machine. I need to get this up to 1400, which takes a little while. Meanwhile, have a look around, see what's going on in the other room. Nothing, because I'm the only person here. What we've done there, but it's not started at the point I wanted it to start, so I'm going to trim that off. That's now wasted. That just started cutting right in the middle, so I've lost probably at least 700mm, maybe more. I know I can make little stickers out of it that didn't get cut, but when you've only got a certain amount left, that can get a bit tricky. Straight away that we've got enough room here for the top of the boat, which we didn't have before, but that's just cut through the vinyl there, so the pressure's probably a little bit too heavy. Okay, and one large dubster in hand. Does help to put a magnet actually over some metal work. well, not all plans go according to the way that you want them to, do they? What we've decided there is silicone is not the answer for this job. So this is going off to get lowered. We've got a Stance Plus kit that's sat in the back that's ready to go down to Marco to be fitted. And I'm intending on taking 100mm out of the right height. So 100mm. That doesn't look like a lot, but it's basically going to stick the arch on the top of the tyre. If we look at the front there, that's going to put it pretty close to the ground as well. So I'm pretty excited for how that's going to look. We've got new wheels going on as well, so we've got 17s going on, so it's just going to give an extra ½ inch all the way around. The tyres will be lower profile. These are transporter wheels on there at the moment, so they're already sitting higher than they would do. We've taken the sidebars off as well, because I figured they would be, again, too low once it's down. If I look at 100mm off the bottom of the sill, that's pretty low to the ground, and I want to be able to get a jack under there and actually use it. So yeah, putting the steps on there, it just would have put it pretty much on the deck. You know, I've been wrapping it. That's pretty much finished. I'm probably going to try and get some decals on the back today, so we're going to be looking at what we can get on the sides here, so that it's still got that dubster feel from the side of it. And I'm looking at working with reflective blue for that. So that's just my little update on the Caddy for today, and I'll see you soon.